What is up, people? It's your boy Lex Money Crypto, and in today's video we're going to jump into Arbitrum. But before we do, make sure you smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and you sub to me for more Arbitrum content. Now let's get into the video. Alright guys, Arbitrum, it is a new one to add to our watch list or our portfolio. So today guys, last night I actually did buy my first proper bag of Arbitrum, and we got it just before the pump. It was about $1. Now it's $1.07. So we're going to find out whether or not we should be buying Arbitrum, if we should be selling Arbitrum, whether we should be holding it for the bull run, bear one, all that good stuff. Now let's get into it. Now guys, if you're not too familiar with what Arbitrum is, it's actually a layer 2 technology that empowers you to explore and build in the largest layer 1 ecosystem, Ethereum. So basically, they're trying to be the future of Ethereum, guys. And we all know how well the layer 2s did in the last run. How well are the layer 2s and the newest layer 2s going to do in this next run? Now, over the past day, guys, we have actually pumped like a stupid amount. However, normally I say don't FOMO into these pumps. And again, you shouldn't FOMO into the pumps. You should average in, okay? If you want to get in, you should average in. If there is a pullback to like $1, just under $1 or something like that, then yeah, I mean, that's going to be a great accumulation level. But we've been getting it for like 90 cents for a long time now, guys. So if we're trying to FOMO into these pumps, again, you've got to be careful. We saw what's happening with all of the other coins that are taking turns to pump. They pump up, people chase it, and then guess what? You get wrecked. So now, firstly, guys, you're going to see the ongoing vote on Arbitrum token staking is leaning towards a majority approval from the DAO. The Arbitrum DAO is voting on a proposal that would enable ARB token staking, offering yield financed by the DAO's treasury over a 12-month period. Currently, 53% of the votes are advocating for the allocation of 175 million ARB token rewards to be staked. If they decide to lock up 175 million ARB tokens, guys, holy crap, that is going to do immense things for the price. There's going to be a supply shock. And I'm sure a lot of retail by that time are going to start to FOMO in. So again, before these things do happen, and I say it with every coin, not just Arbitrum, not just VRA, not just anything, we always say we have to buy the rumor before the news does come out. However, if you're here for the long run, obviously, you know, it's not too bad because you're not going to sell that first piece of news. You're probably going to sell into the bull run. But you need to be getting in before these pieces of news get published, when they're approved or when the DAO finally says, yep, actually, we are going to stake 175 million ARB. By then, the price has already left you guys, all right? So that's why on this channel, you have to be subscribed and we have to be ahead of the game, because I'm trying to give you guys opportunities to be ahead of the game and make some serious 10, 20, 50x gains in the next bull run. Let's go. Now, if we move to Twitter, guys, you're going to see ARB, pay attention to this token, massive run up soon. Breakout from the trend line since the new low, repost for other. And if we look a little bit closer into the chart, guys, you're going to see that massive descending level of resistance has been broken. This is giving me render vibes. I'm telling you, this is looking like render right now. The same way that the double bottom and the neckline was being sort of just broken before it actually went on an insane run. If we do see this thing start to go to like $2.50 within like the next couple of weeks, don't be surprised and don't say we weren't here ready. You have to take action, guys. Again, not financial advice, do your own research. But just let me know in the comments right now, are you going to take action? Have you been taking action? Have you already got Arbitrum? Let me know in the comments right now. And again, guys, exactly what I was saying, similar to render. I wish I had the old render chart. If I can find it, I'll post it here next to it. But the one resistance zone we need ARB to close above to confirm ARB season. It says we need to close above that like $1.06, $1.07. I think right now we're around $1.06, finding some big resistance there. Usually with these double bottoms, you do have like a little bit of a consolidation sideways. Maybe we come back down to about $1 before we do break it out again. But with render, I was waiting for it to come down and consolidate a little bit lower, and guess what? It didn't. It just fucked off. So guys, you know, we're not trying to make the same mistakes as what we make with other coins. If you have conviction in a coin and you think it's going to be a top project, take action before it's too late, because a lot of you guys who are watching the video, you're going to see this, you're going to see this price, and you're still going to be a little bit nervous. Maybe you're thinking, oh, you know, maybe I do get a lower price and I'm going to get as low a price as possible. Not the way to do, guys. We just average in, okay? If you really haven't got the bag yet and you're worried about what price to get the bag at, you just average in. Buy today, buy next week, buy next month, whatever. And again, you know, you may not get the lowest prices, but eventually by 2024, 2025, you guys are going to be laughing. Now, more bullish news, guys. Something gives me a feeling ARB is going to do really well in the bull run, and it's not in my portfolio. Shall I add it? Just look at the numbers. It has more TVL than Sol, but it's 15 times smaller and has slightly more active users. God damn. Are you looking at that, guys? Are you looking at that? Let's open this up, actually. Now, if you look at DeFi Llama, guys, you're going to see that Solana, TVL, 412 million. Arbitrum TVL, 1.84 billion, guys, before a move. Oh my goodness. And it looks like the only chain that has actually got more active users is Polygon. Really know how strong Polygon are right now, and that's why it's in one of our big bags, and we're going to get into Polygon in another video later today. But guys, Arbitrum, very close second place, just ahead of Sol and Optimism. Guys, smashing it. Absolutely smashing it. So if you're not seeing these stats and you're thinking, oh, you know, well, I'm still not too sure, then I know what to tell you guys at this point, gang. And then just to finish off, guys, is the Arbitrum accumulation ending soon? And is the next phase expansion? If we look at that, we've been chopping around sideways for about 6 months now, guys, and it looks like we're leaving that lower level of accumulation, and we could just be trying to break that dollar. We go up to $1.50, we go up to $2, and then guess what? It's go time, and once it's go time, you're not going to be able to catch this thing. It's going to be breaking new all-time highs, and I would not be shocked to see this thing start to break new all-time highs going into next year. Is that guaranteed? Definitely not. Could it happen? Possibly. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. But look, it's just a quick one on Arbitrum, guys. So we got our first buy level. If we can get back down to $1, we're going to grab that dollar level as well. However, I'm averaging in every single week now with Arbitrum. I think it's go time. It's showing that it's bottomed out for me. And while a lot of people will think, oh, well, I didn't catch the bottom, I don't know if I want to get it. Try catching bottoms of any crypto. It is near impossible, guys. So look, let me know what you guys think of Arbitrum in the comments. Let me know if you're a holder. Let me know if you're a hater. All comments welcome. And until next time, it's been Will X Money Crypto. I'm going to see you in the next one. Peace.